Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to curl hair by Vega Curler. Start by detangling and applying heat protectant, then divide hair into small sections about 1 inch wide. Plug in the Vega Curler and choose a comfortable heat setting, ideally 2 or 3 for most hair types. Hold each curl for about 8 to 12 seconds and release gently to preserve shape and reduce frizz for a long-lasting finish. In this video, I will explain how to curl hair by Vega Curler. Clamp a section near the root, wrap the strand around the barrel, and rotate away from your face for a face-framing curl. Hold for the recommended time and release, then let the curl cool before styling. Alternate directions on alternating sections for natural volume, and softly comb through with fingers to blend the curls into a lived-in, effortless finish. In this video, I will help with styling after curling with the Vega Curler. After curling, let hair cool fully to set the shape, then run your fingers through to break up ringlets into soft waves. Apply a flexible hold spray and focus on roots for lift, avoiding heavy products that weigh curls down. For longevity, sleep with a silk scarf or loose bun to prevent frizz and preserve the curl pattern overnight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.